What's up, guys? David Ishka here with the Success Keeper, and today I'm bringing you another video. We're gonna be talking about mistakes and how to avoid mistakes as much as possible. Okay, but before we talk about mistakes, I'm gonna read a little bit about. I'm gonna read a little bit about from the American history, what happened in the past on this day. Today is February 21st. And on this day, former White House aides H.R. Haldeman and John D. Ehrlichman and former Attorney General John Mitchell were sentenced to 30 months in prison on this day in 1975. I'm reading this from a book, actually for you guys, okay? So to share some of the information from American history. Most of you already know this information, but I wanted to share it with those who don't know. The penalty was for their active involvement with the infamous Watergate cover-up. Watergate was the biggest political scandal in United States history. It included various illegal activities designed to help President Richard Nixon win re-election in 1972 and resulted in Nixon's resignation from the presidency in 1974. Haldeman, Ehrlichman, and Mitchell made huge mistakes by caving into the pressures to hide the illegal burglary at the Washington D.C. apartments. Okay, so a lot of people make a lot of mistakes when they are trying to accomplish something in their lives. A lot of people even cross the line and break the law in order to be successful with something. Okay, I'm not going to talk about breaking the law today, but I'm going to talk about making mistakes and how to avoid making mistakes. If you are in a position today where you are tired of your life, tired of the way you are living your life, if you are tired of your boss, your work, the way things are at home, and you are looking around to start something new, okay, we have an incredible opportunity over here. But I want to tell you, before you do anything, before you find any kind of opportunity online, or before you start any kind of business, make sure you have a good, solid company that provides you with a mentor or a coach who will guide you uh, through steps, especially in the beginning, because mistakes. I've talked about this mistake in the politics that Nixon and his people made, uh, in order to become reelected again. And I don't want to have anybody to do anything, uh, anything that they would regret later. Okay, don't make any major mistakes in the beginning, because it can cost you a lot of money and time. I've seen too many people starting a brand new business or investing a lot of money, including me, and it cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. So it's extremely important when you start a new career, new business, make sure that the company has a solid coaching system that will help you, okay, and prevent you from making huge mistakes. Do not get discouraged in the beginning when you make little mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, especially in the beginning, but mistakes are not that bad. You learn from your mistakes, okay? You learn from other people's mistakes. So it's not so bad, okay? I look at mistakes as learning curves, learning opportunities, and I've certainly learned a lot from making mistakes in my personal life, but also in my professional life. I'm gonna leave a link below this video, guys, and share with you what I am doing, what the company is, what company I am involved in, and what kind of coaching system and programs they have. Okay, so if you are interested in changing your life, in starting a new career or a new business opportunity, without having that fear of making huge mistakes and spending or wasting a lot of money and time on something that is not gonna work, then this program is for you, because from day one you're gonna have a assigned coach to you, and you're gonna have a uh, support group that will guide you through everything. Okay, there is work involved, of course. There's gonna be a learning curve, but it comes with the territory. You know, a lot of people, they think they want to start a business, but when they sign up, they're not willing to put the time and effort into it, and they say it didn't work. Well, it didn't work before because they didn't spend enough time and money, you know, into it. And I'm not saying that you have to invest huge amounts of money, but to to speed up the process, there's gonna be a sign up fee and all kinds of investments that are very common when you start a new business. But it's doable. Um, it's for everyday people like you and me, and I recommend starting small and slow. Okay, open your eyes when you step into the water and see how everything works, and then progressively start investing more and more money as you become more comfortable. But your coach will lead you through all of these things. So that's what I wanted to talk about in today's video. Do not be that afraid of making mistakes, small mistakes. You are not gonna make that many when you have your own coach, and he will guide you through, he will show you. But people still make mistakes, okay? And it's not a bad thing, so do not be discouraged. Um, if some days you feel like you didn't make any progress, if something didn't work out, or if you didn't make as much money as you expected on a certain week or day or month, okay? Just keep pushing through, um, learn from your mistakes, and ask questions, okay? Every time you are going through something that you don't understand, or if you feel that something didn't work out the way you wanted, okay? Always reach out to people, to your coach. And if you have any questions about this opportunity, like I said before, I'm gonna leave a link below this video. And also hit me up, sign up for my channel, The Success Keeper. Comment below on this video, ask me any questions you possibly have, and I will be more than happy to explain how everything works to my best ability, okay? So this is David with The Success Keeper, and keep pushing through, okay? Even if you come across some mistakes, problems, issues, if you make mistakes, and just stay positive and focused on your goals, okay? And today, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will speak with you tomorrow. Peace.